Hello dear students, welcome to the online classes presented by Southern Global School, and I am Mr. Farooq Sheikh, and today I am going to teach you subject Social Science Standard 9 Chapter 3rd, second part, Movement Towards a New World. So in the previous chapters I taught you the different topics. Let's we said that all topics again, that which is topic that we have learned. Okay, so we have learned in the previous fascism in the Italy, Nazism in the Germany, militarism in the Japan, and the global depression 1929 to 1932. Okay, and today I am going to teach you the new topics about this lesson is World War II 1939 to 1945 and its factors. So that World Wars was begin, it was not start immediately, but the seeds of the World War were sown the previous many of the years ago. Okay, in the previous wars the seeds were sown, and also the seeds were sown in the treaty. Okay, and that treaty was the Versailles Treaty of Versailles. Let us see, the seed for the World War II had been sown in the Treaty of Versailles. Paris peace process had displayed many nations. Okay, and the Paris peace process, this process and this treaty, it displaced means बहुत से देशों को नाखुश किया था, because from the first world war just only the some nations who won this war, they got the benefit. Also the many of the nations who won, who were in the front side of the nation, they won this war, they also lost the many of their soldiers property, but then also they didn't get any profit, they didn't get any benefit as the other nation get. So that is the why many nations were displaced with the Treaty of Versailles. So these events happens after that lead to the World War II. So dear children, let us study the factor responsible for the World War II. तो चलो अब हम वर्ल्ड वॉर सेकंड के लिए कौन कौन से रिस्पॉन्सिबल जवाबदार थे, which factors were responsible for the World War II. Let us see. So first is the Farsi nationalism. Okay, these all are that as the similar you have learned in the First World War. Which factors were responsible? These are similar, but there is some differences are there. Only the minor differences are there. First is the Farsi nationalism. This is the first is the Farsi nationalism. It was the first factors of the World War II. The Farsi nationalism. So after the First World War, Farsi nationalism developed in Germany. Okay, and who became the Führer of the Germany? Remember? Do you know? Hitler. Okay, so Farsi nationalism developed in Germany, Japan, and Italy. Germans could never forget and overcome the Treaty of Versailles because they were believed, or due to the Treaty of Versailles, okay, they their rights are human rights. Okay, and also they are injustice, they were feeling injustice by this treaty. So consequently Hitler captured some province of Austria and Czechoslovakia. Okay, and while the Hitler become the president, he become the Führer, okay, in the Germany. Okay, and he also established his own fascism, okay, in the Germany. And he, in the beginning, he captured the some province of Austria and the Czechoslovakia, following his Nazi, okay, philosophy that Germans must get all those province where Germans were staying. Okay, that Hitler was adopt, he established that Nazism in the Germany. And also the following this Nazi philosophy, German must get all those province where Germans were staying, यानी कि जहाँ पे जर्मन पीपल रहते थे वो सभी प्रोविंस उनको चाहिए थे at any cost. Okay, and Italy could not forget that it was ignored in the Treaty of Versailles. Okay, the France, England, America, Russia, they all get the many of the province from the Chinas and all. Okay, they didn't get that much benefit to the Italy. That is why Italy was also desperate. Italy was disappointed and displeased with the Treaty of Versailles. So that Italy also could not forget it was ignored in the Treaty of Versailles under the leadership of the fascist party Mussolini. That Benito Mussolini started his fierce nationalism and adopt imperialist policies. Okay, that fascism party, it was established in the Italy. Okay, and the Mussolini, Benito Mussolini, he started the fierce nationalism and the adopted imperialist policy. Imperialist means to extend the empire, जो जितना राज्य है उससे उसको ज़्यादा बढ़ाना. Okay, and also they annexed the other province and joined to the its own nation. So on the other hand, from Asia, Japan to give to the imperialism, thus world peace was in danger. And from the Asia, the Japan also give to imperialism, यानी कि जापान ने भी अब you also wanted to become imperialist. Okay, because Japan also was ignored in the Treaty of Versailles and world peace was in danger, यानी कि अब जो विश्व की शांति थी वो अब खतरे में थी because of Farsi nationalism. So as we can see, the in the First World War, after the Treaty of Versailles was made on the consort to the Germany, and in this Treaty of Versailles, that seeds of Second World War were sown. Okay. Second is the groupism. So this factor also was in the First World War, the factor. So since France was always afraid of Germany, अब फ्रांस को जर्मनी से बहुत डर लगता था. Now Germany adopted the fierce nationalism, and that is the why after the First World War it entered into a treaty with Belgium, Poland, Romania and the Czechoslovakia. यानी कि फ्रांस ने ट्रीटी कर ली. ट्रीटी मीन्स उन्होंने संधि की है, एग्रीमेंट. ओके, so whenever they any other country attack on the France, so these other the Belgium, Poland, Romania and Czechoslovakia will help the France. Or whenever the Belgium, Poland, Romania, whenever they are in the danger, so that time France will help them. So this was the treaty between the Belgium, Poland, Romania and the Czechoslovakia. So Italy signed the treaty with Czechoslovakia, Yugoslavia, Romania, Hungary, Greece, Turkey and the Austria. So as it is, Italy also signed the treaty, secret treaty. यानी कि उन्होंने भी अपना ग्रुप बना दिया कि अगर इस ग्रुप के अलावा अगर कोई दूसरा उनके साथ में फाइटिंग करने लगेगा, दिस ऑल विल united army, they will fight against them. Okay, so what happened if any two country will the fight, so behind this other country also began the war, and that is the why that world war started. And Russia signed treaty with Germany, Turkey, Lithuania and the Iran. Now the Russia was in the German side, and the Russia also signed treaty with the Germany, Turkey, Lithuania and the Iran. Italy formed the Rome, Berlin, Tokyo axis from with the support of Germany and the Japan. And as this Japan, Italy and the Germany, they were adopted the imperialist policy, and that is the why they became more close. वो बहुत ज़्यादा close आते गए, and they also became the friends. And that is the why Italy formed the Rome, Berlin, Tokyo axis group with the support of Germany and the Japan. England and France from another group with the democratic values. Germany signed a non-aggression treaty with Russia. Non-aggression treaty यानी कि रसिया के सामने वो कभी हथियार नहीं उठाएगा. Who? Germany. So that is treaty is called the non-aggression treaty. So thus a whole atmosphere of fear spread in the whole world. This factor to give an impetus to the world war. So these all make the groups. So why they make groups? For the trade? No. Okay, as you have heard that story that one old man gave to his son that one stick. They easily broke that stick. But while that old man gave the bunch of the stick, that sons were could not able to broke the bunch of the stick. So that is why they also believe in this कि अगर हम साथ में रहेंगे तो कोई एक हमको नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाएगा, बट अगर हम अकेले होंगे तो कोई भी एक कंट्री से आके हम पे अटैक करके दे विल बी कैप्चर अवर प्रोविंस. दैट इज़ वाई लेट अस बी यूनाइट. चलो हम साथ में हो जाते हैं और दूसरों के साथ में फाइट और वी कैन डिफेंस अवर सेल्व्स. सो दिस वॉज द पॉलिसी. ओके, सो दिस वॉज कॉल्ड द ग्रुपिज्म. Then third is the militarism. So On one side, effort were being made to maintain peace after the First World War. Okay, after the First World, League of Nations also was established for the purpose of peace and the security, and that all the countries feel safe. This was the aim of that League of Nations. But to maintain this peace after the First World War, whereas on the other side, that European nations were competing of ammunition. जो यूरोपियन जो देश थे, अब वो कंपटीशन कर रहे थे फॉर व्हाट, फॉर अम्यूनिशन, गन्स, दारूगोड़ा, बॉम्ब्स, ओके, ये सब बनाने के लिए. ओके, द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ मोर एंड मोर वेपन्स इंक्रीज इन ऑल यूरोपियन नेशंस. और जो यूरोपियन देश थे वहाँ पे उन लोगों ने बहुत और बहुत ज़्यादा में उन्होंने वेपन्स, हथियार बनाने शुरू कर दिए. नाउ वॉर वेपन्स बेटर देन द अदर वेयर बीइंग मैन्युफैक्चर्ड. दे वर बिलीव दैट वॉर वेपन्स आर बेटर देन द अदर वेयर बीइंग मैन्युफैक्चर्ड. यानी कि दूसरी चीज़ें बनाने से ज़्यादा अच्छा है कि हम हथियार बनाएं. दिस इज़ द गुड. नो, अगर हमारे घर में खाना नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी हम गन लेके घर में बैठेंगे, हाउ? That is not fair. So some nations like Russia, Germany began compulsory military training, and also in the some nations like Russia and the Germany, they started the compulsory military training for all its citizens. Means whenever they need the citizen for the war, okay, they can join them for the war. So all nations began inducting more men into navy, air force and army. In the each, Japan increased its military force. Finally, the World War II had been declared when even England and France tried to equip themselves with war weapon. Okay, now all the nations, they also inducting more men into the navy and the air force. यानी कि वो जो अपनी आर्मीज थी, नेवी और द एयरफोर्स की, उसमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को वो क्या करते थे, भर्ती कर रहे थे. इन द ईस्ट, जापान इंक्रीज इट्स मिलिट्री फोर्स, एंड द ईस्ट जापान ऑल्सो इंक्रीज इट्स मिलिट्री फोर्स. द फाइनली द वर्ल्ड वॉर हैड बीन डिक्लेयर्ड व्हेन इवन इंग्लैंड एंड द फ्रांस ट्राई टू इक्विप देमसेल्फ विथ वॉर वेपन्स. और तब भी इंग्लैंड और फ्रांस वो अपने एक दूसरे को, ओके, दे वर स्टार्टेड टू देमसेल्व्स इक्विप्ड, यानी कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वेपन्स कैसे बनाना, उसको कैसे यूज़ करना, ओके, दे वर स्टार्टेड एंड दे बिगिन इट. Next, fourth is the failure of League of Nations. So after the First World War, the League of Nations was established. Okay, so then also the Germany, Italy and the Japan, they were captured the other nations land too. Okay, so why, if there's a League of the Nation, that international organization, then also how these countries can attack on the other nations? Okay, so that is the reason failures of the League of Nations. So what is the reason? So in order to establish peace after the First World War, the League of Nations was formed, but neither could it become a supreme organization having sovereignty over other nations of the world. Okay, the League of Nations was established for the purpose of peace. Okay, they aim to establish the peace all over the world, but that organization neither could become a supreme organization or the having over sovereignty over the other nation of the world, and nor did it have its many own army to make the nation follow its principle. और लीग ऑफ नेशन ने उनकी खुद की आर्मी भी नहीं बनाई है. Okay, so without their army, how they can establish the principle to the other nations? It is not possible. They need the power. Okay, if we want to become a power, we should have to show the power. अगर हमें पावर में रहना तो हमें पावर दिखाना जरूरी है. Okay, the member nations were not obliged to take their problems to the League of Nations or accept the judgment passed. And who were the member of the League of the Nation? They did not take their problem to the League of Nation. यानी कि जो दो देशों के बीच जो प्रॉब्लम होते थे वो लीग ऑफ नेशन के पास लेके नहीं गए. एंड ऑल्सो दे डिड नॉट एक्सेप्ट द जजमेंट गिवन बाय द लीग ऑफ नेशन. यानी कि लीग ऑफ नेशन ने जो जजमेंट दिया होता था उसको भी उन्होंने एक्सेप्ट करना मना कर दिया. So many nations had moved out of League of Nations, and because of this, that many of the nations, they were moved out of the League of Nations. Initially beginning, Russia and Germany snapped their ties with the League of Nations. और सबसे पहले रसिया और जर्मनी दोनों ने जो लीग ऑफ नेशंस के साथ में ट्रीटी थी, they tied, okay, with League of Nations. Later Italy and Japan moved out because Italy had captured the Abyssinia, and उसके बाद में that Italy and Japan also moved out of League of Nations because the Italy had captured Abyssinia, Japan had attacked Manchuria. Okay, Italy has captured the Abyssinia and the Japan had attacked on the Manchuria. Germany had snatched away some province of Czechoslovakia. These main three nations, Italy, Japan and the Germany. Italy had captured the Abyssinia, Japan had attacked, okay, this is the Japan. The Japan had attacked the Manchuria and the Germany had snatched away from some province of the Czechoslovakia. Still the League of Nations could do nothing. इतना सब होने के बाद भी League of Nations ने कुछ भी नहीं किया. Simply they were sitting and looking that what is happening in the world. दुनिया में क्या रहा वो सब ऐसे आराम से देख रहे थे. Okay, so the greed for power among the several nations became stronger in the League of Nations. It could not stop groupism. It was the biggest failure of the League of the Nation. The greed for power among several nations, यानी कि पावर में रहने की जो लालच थी, that become the more stronger in the League of Nations. Okay, the states who were in the League of member of the League of Nations, they wanted to extend their empire, and they adopted the imperialist policy, and that League of Nations could not stop the groupism, and this was the biggest failure of the League of Nations. Okay, in the first that Treaty of the Versailles. Okay, so seats of the Second World War were shown in the Treaty of the Versailles. What was the Treaty of the Versailles? Let us see. The Treaty of Versailles got its form in the Paris peace process at the end of the First World War. Okay, in the 1945. Sorry, in the 1918. Okay, while the First World War was ended. So after this, that Paris peace process at the end of the First World War, since Germany was found responsible for the war. Okay, the Caesar. Okay, that Caesar was the responsible, who was the German ruler. He was the responsible for the war, and that is why it had to pay 6.5 billion pound as a war fine, और उनको 6.5 बिलियन पाउंड फाइन यानी कि दंड देना है. टू होम? The countries who won this war. And its Ruhr province was taken away, and Rhine river had to be opened for international sea route, और उसका जो रूहन प्रोविंस है उसको भी उसके पास से ले लिया गया. And in the Germany there is a one river, Rhine river, and the Rhine river has to be opened for the international sea route, यानी कि इंटरनेशनल पूरे दुनिया में जितने भी देश तक वो नदी का पानी जाता है उन सब के लिए वो ओपन कर देना था. Such an unfair and humiliating treaty was forcibly imposed on the Germany. Okay, ये बहुत ही unfair, अयोग्य और the humiliating treaty, okay, अमानवीय ये ट्रीटी थी, वो बहुत ही फोर्सपूर्वक जर्मनी को लागू करा दिया गया. The German dictator Adolf Hitler called the Treaty of Versailles as a piece of paper. जो जर्मन डिक्टेटर था, ओके, तानाशाह हिटलर, अडोल्फ हिटलर, ही कॉल दिस ट्रीटी ऑफ द वर्साइल्स एज अ पीस ऑफ पेपर, यानी कि ये कुछ नहीं है, ये सिर्फ कागज़ का टुकड़ा है. दिस इज द पीस ऑफ पेपर, नथिंग एल्स, एंड वी आर नॉट फॉलोइंग, वी आर नॉट अबाइड दिस ट्रीटी, एंड अनाउंस टू रिजेक्ट इट, और हिटलर ने उस ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्साइल्स को रिजेक्ट करने का अनाउंस कर दिया. देयरफॉर पीपल ऑफ जर्मनी वेर इनकरेज टू फाइट वॉर, एंड दैट इज द वाई the German people who were already displaced and who were eager to take the revenge, and when the Hitler reject this, so they were believe the Hitler is the our Führer means हमारा रक्षणहार है. Okay, and that is the why that many of the German people were encouraged to fight the war, और बहुत से जर्मन लोग थे वो वॉर में जाने के लिए रेडी हो गए. So on the other side, Japan was also dissatisfied with this treaty, and Japan wanted some China's province. Okay, but he didn't get, Japan didn't get, and that is Japan dissatisfied with this treaty. Thus, Treaty of Versailles was unjust to many nations. This treaty planted the seed of Second World War. So Treaty of Versailles, that is was the main reason that seeds were sown of the Second World War in the Treaty of Versailles, and the treaty planted the seeds of Second World War. So I hope all of you understood the Treaty of Versailles. Now, imperialistic ambition of Adolf Hitler, the main German leader who established the fascism. Okay, sorry, Nazism. He was the main leader and the main reason, the main factor also that we can say, the imperialistic ambition of Adolf Hitler. So Hitler lays the foundation of the Second World War. He had a fierce nationalism and militarist nature, and Hitler also himself, he was wearing the military uniform. That is why he wished the unity, stability and prosperity of Germany at any cost. और उसी वजह से उसको जर्मनी में यूनिटी चाहिए थी बिटवीन द अमंग द जर्मन पीपल, स्टेबिलिटी एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी ऑफ जर्मनी एट एनी कोस्ट, यानी कि जर्मन का किसी भी तरह से डेवलपमेंट होना चाहिए, जर्मन शुड बी द प्रॉस्परस. द फर्स्ट विक्टिम ऑफ दिस इम्पेरियलिज्म वॉज ऑस्ट्रिया, और सबसे पहला हिटलर का कोई शिकार बना था. ओके, सो दैट वॉज द ऑस्ट्रिया. अलॉन्ग विथ जर्मनी आर्मी ही एंटर्ड ऑस्ट्रिया ऑन 12 मार्च 1938, और सबसे पहले हिटलर अपनी आर्मी को लेके ऑस्ट्रिया में एंटर हुआ ऑन द 12th मार्च 1938. This is war was not started. This was just only between the two states, Austria and Germany. Okay, in 1938. On the very next day, the Munich conventions, Germany had captured Czechoslovakia, and on the next दूसरे ही दिन जर्मनी ने Czechoslovakia पे अटैक कर दिया. And the Munich convention, Germany had captured Czechoslovakia 1st October 1938. Okay, after that it had captured the mammal port of Lithuania in March 1939. Thus a grand German nation was created by Hitler. His imperialist policy was the main cause of Second World War. Okay, and this imperialist policy, it was the main cause for the Second World War. First become the victim of this Hitler's imperialist policy was the Austria, then after Czechoslovakia, then the mammal port of Lithuania. And by capturing these nations, Hitler made the German as a one grand nation, that grand nation created by the Hitler. Number 7, German attack on Poland and immediate cause. For the Second World War, this was the very important and immediate cause. After this World War Second was started. So the above mentioned causes had made the whole world on sit on a heap of ammunition. यानी कि above these 6 causes are given. So these causes and these events made whole world to sit on a heap of ammunition. Ammunition means दारू गोला है, missiles, bombs, weapons, guns. Okay, the heap of the ammunition, उस पर पूरी दुनिया को लाके बैठा दिया था. A small spark could blow up the whole world. यानी कि एक छोटी सी चिंगारी भी होती है. If any country attack on any nation, then can be start the world war anywhere, any time. यानी कि एक छोटी सी चिंगारी भी पूरी दुनिया को जला के राख कर सकती. And this spark was German attack on the peaceful Poland. और ये जो चिंगारी थी, that spark was the German attack on peaceful Poland, यानी कि शांति प्रिय पोलैंड पे जर्मन ने अटैक कर लिया. हु? हिटलर. It is on 1st September 1939 early morning. Thus World War II had begun. Britain and France warned Germany to stop the war immediately, but Germany ignored the warning. Okay, and that is the why World War II had begun. The Britain and France has warned to the Germany stop the war immediately, but German ignored the warning. ब्रिटिश और फ्रांस ने जर्मनी को वार्निंग भी दी कि तुम ये वॉर को रोक दो, बट जर्मनी इग्नोर द वार्निंग. हैंस ब्रिटेन एंड फ्रांस प्लग्ड इनटू दिस वॉर, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ब्रिटेन और फ्रांस दोनों भी इस वॉर में कूद गए. कंसिक्वेंटली द वॉर स्प्रेड इन द एंटायर वर्ल्ड, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस द वॉर स्प्रेड एंटायर वर्ल्ड. because in the German side's nations also were in the side of the Germany, Britain and the France, that who were the nation with the Britain and the France. Let us see here when they make the treaties. Okay, so this is the France, and also they have to make the treaties, different treaties also. Okay, that Germany, Belgium, Poland and Romania. Okay, that Czechoslovakia, Yugoslavia, Hungary, Greece, Turkey, Austria, Germany, Turkey, Lithuania. These countries were in the side of the Germany. Okay, and also Italy, Germany, Japan and all. Okay, England forms from another group with a democratic value. Germany signed a non-aggression treaty. So when the German, England and France, they were studying the democratic value. So who were the nation democratic? They all were with the Germany. Okay, so that is the why that this war was spread all over the world, in entire world. Now the outline of the World War Second. This is the very important, you have to by heart this. Okay, the outline of the World War Second. So with the commencement of the World War Second, the world was again divided into two groups. As it is in the first time also, that world was divided into two groups. In the First World War, Axis nations and the Allied nation. So as it is in the Second World War also, the world was divided into the two groups. One side was the group of Allied nations led by England and the France, and on the other side was the group of Axis nation comprising Germany, Italy, Japan. Beside this, some other factors with war derived mentally had entered into this. Okay, one side was the Allied nations led by England and France, and the other side was the group of Axis nations comprising Germany, Italy, and Japan. Beside this, some other factors with war driven mentally had entered into this. Japan attacked the American Navy at Pearl Harbor, and this time Japan made the mistake, and the Japan attack on American Navy at Pearl Harbor. Pearl Harbor. It is a one American Navy the supports. Okay, so Japan attack. Okay, and there is also the many of the soldiers also were in the submarine. So as a result, American give up on its natural neutral stand and retailed it join the Allied nation, and as a result, America also give its neutral stand, and this America also joined to the Allied nation, and when the America joined to the Allied nation, thus making it stronger, and Allied nation अब बहुत ही strong बन गए. So when the war was going on its full swing, America dropped atom bombs on the two Japanese cities, Hiroshima and the Nagasaki. Okay, and 11th August 1940. Okay, America dropped atom bombs on the two cities of the Japan, Hiroshima and the Nagasaki, in order to stop Japan from moving any further. And then now Japan is completely collapsed. It was afraid, if we will not stop the war, if we not stop moving further, then the America also may drop the another nuclear bombs also on the Japan any other cities. So Japan stopped and from moving any further. 1,24,000 Japanese citizens lost their lives, and there was absolute destruction because of this nuclear attack. Okay, the hurling atom bomb attack in the Hiroshima and the Nagasaki. 1,24,000 Japanese citizens lost their lives. They lost their lives. Who were the injured? That number is more than this. Okay, and there was absolute destructions completely. The buildings, the monuments, everything was collapsed. Japan surrendered 11th August 1949, and the World War II came to an end. और 11th August 1945 को जापान ने सरेंडर कर दिया, and because of this the World War II was ended. Okay, so other about the factors what happened after the Second World War, I will teach you the later. Okay, bye bye, take care.